Hey, what's up everyone? Spencer with Malibuparts. If you're looking to upgrade your tower with another rack or a set of racks, the Skylon Skylock Pro4 racks are the perfect upgrade. Now, in terms of protection, this rack outdoes itself. It is incredible to protect the board from any pressure dings, skip marks, rattling, falling out of the rack, anything like that. You'll notice along the rails of all of the rack, there are rubber inserts. Especially at the end, there is a cushion rubber insert right here that molds to the sides of the board. So that's really gonna hold the board snug and tight while it's in place, so that as the boat's underway, you're not gonna get any sort of rattle or fear of loss of the board out of the rack. Now, on top of this, what's really cool is they're all about protecting the board not only from damage, but theft as well. So if you leave your boat at a lift or at a dock and you're out to dinner, you can actually put a lock right here at the end of this trigger. You can put a lock in there that will prevent anyone from sliding the arm out to be able to get your board. So you can rest assured that while you're away from your boat, but the boards are still in the rack, they'll be safe. Now, the other thing I love about this is the functionality. Now, we don't have any bungees that we have to deal with. There's no snapback or fear of hitting it in your face or anything like that. So now on the ends here, there's a little trigger that you push in, and that will release the arm of the rack. See how far out that goes? This is going to be able to accommodate a lot of boards out there on the market and a lot of thick boards as well. So what you do is you put the board in the rack itself, push the trigger, slide the arm into place, and that is going to hold your board very secure. Now, another feature that I really like about this is here on the bottom. There's life jacket hooks. So if you got your white life jacket and you don't want to keep it in the boat getting everybody else wet or getting the floor soaked, you can actually hook the life jacket right onto these hooks, and as the rack is swung in the out position, it will drip right into the water. What's also nice is this keeps it more out in the sun, so it's going to be able to dry quicker and be ready for your next set. Great part of these is they do swivel as well. So rather than having to lean outside of the boat to try grab your boards, which is a little bit of a pain, you have a knob right here, you pull down on that, and you can release it and swivel. Now, it does have a few different locking points, so that it won't just swing in and hit you right off the bat, but you can maneuver it to exactly where you want. So for towing, you can have it pulled back so that it minimizes all of the bugs or anything like that that might get on it. It's not sticking out or protruding very far. But then when you're underway, you can have it swiveled all the way out so that it is out of the way. All of your boards are securely on the sides. They're not on the floor. They're not getting dinged up. They're very safe, very protected for when you want to access them. So after using these racks for quite a bit, we absolutely love them. They are definitely Malibuparts approved, and we highly recommend, if you're looking for that upgrade, to go with the Skylon Skylock Pro4 racks. You can get them on our website at Malibuparts.com. They fit almost every tower out there on Malibu and Axis boats. If you have any questions about which tower you have and which adapter and rack that you need, please let us know. We're always happy to help. You can get more good content on all of our social media platforms, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, so make sure you go follow those. We're so excited for these. Hope you get a pair. You'll love them too. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the water.